welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to try my luck out. To explain briefly, this is all about Taiwan receipt lottery, and if you don't know what is receipt lottery, then this was introduced by actually Taiwan government to encourage all the businesses to give receipts to the buyers when they buy anything from 7-Eleven convenience stores or from bookstores or movie theaters or shopping, anywhere, just anywhere, they give you the receipt. And after collecting the receipts for 2 months, on the third month, 25th, this is the month of January, right? So for the month of 11 and 12, November and December, they release the lottery winning numbers on 25th of January. We are checking if we got a lottery or not. And if we got, how much are we going to win? So let's go. The lottery winning amount actually ranges from 200 NTD to 10 million NTD. I think that's really a great opportunity to just collect your receipts and win the lottery, right? You don't have to actually buy a lottery ticket. It's like free lottery. We have collected all our receipts during the last 3 months in this bag, and now we are going to organize based on which of these bills are 11 and 12, because they have released the 11 and 12 winning numbers. We'll show you how the receipt looks like first. So this is the traditional receipt, and here you can see that this is the store name. This is some electronic Japanese electronic store from where we have bought some electronic goods, and this is the year, and this is 11-12 is November and December receipt, and this is the receipt number. This is what we have to check whether we got a lottery or not, depending on this number. Okay, this is the number. And another interesting fact about this receipt is that this is waterproof. Yeah, you heard me right, this is waterproof. And this was made waterproof because one time when someone won a huge lottery of 1 million or 10 million, I don't remember the exact figure, but when he won that, his receipt was actually wet and all the numbers were erased. So he filed a lawsuit. He won the lottery, and after his issue, every receipt now is waterproof, except for some receipts like this. All these are waterproof. Some people have this because I don't know why they haven't shifted to the waterproof one. Yeah. The receipt numbers for these receipts are over here. This is the receipt number, and the months are stated here. And depending on the color also, for these receipts we can judge which month they belong to. Every 2 months they change the colors of this. We have these waterproof bills from Zara, Subway, DHL, PX Mart, that is like a supermarket, and this is an Indian restaurant, and this is the computer part shop for petrol or fuel, and this is for yoga, and this is for a shopping mall, this is for phone accessory shop. Anywhere you buy things from Taiwan, you should definitely get this, and you have to store every receipt because you don't know which one has the winning number. So yeah, let me organize all these so that we can check the winning numbers. While arranging all these receipts, we were just thinking that what if we could have an app for this in English. I have organized all these receipts, and I have about 50 of these waterproof receipts and some of these normal ones. These are all from only one store. This is a bookstore that I regularly visit. These are from that one. Now we'll see which are the winning numbers. You just enter Taiwan lottery in Google and also enter the months for which you want. These are the months of 11 and 12. Just type Taiwan lottery 11-12 and results 2022. Here we found it. So the special prize is 10 million before tax, and these are the numbers here. The special prize for 280-89459 is 10 million. So whoever has this receipt number on the receipt will get the winning amount of 10 million. And the grand prize is 2 million. If they match all the digits in 30660303, they'll get the 2 million winning prize. For the first prize, if you observe, if you match all the digits of these three numbers, any of these three numbers, then you will get a price of 200,000 NTs, which is really good. But if you are not able to match the complete digit, then if you have just last digits of your receipt as any of your receipt as 1 to 8, then you will get 200 NT. That means in these three numbers, if you can match just the last three digits like 128, 404, 900, if you match that with the receipt numbers of yours, then you will get 200 NTs. And if the four digits like 6128 or 4404 or 3900, if you match these last four digits with your receipt numbers, then you will get 1000 NTs. And if you match last 5 digits of any of these three numbers, then you will get 4000 NTs. And if you match last 6 digits of these numbers with your last digits of your receipts, then you will get 10,000. And if you can match last 7 digits of any of these first prize numbers, then you will win 40,000 NTs. So this is really great. Most of the time we have won 200 NTs for sure. We have opened the numbers, right? We'll check if we have any of these numbers and we'll test our luck out. Let's see how much we'll win today. My trick is that I just see what the last numbers are for the first prizes. I just check that last digit of first prize is 8, 4 and 0. So I'll just check if the last numbers match and I just take out those receipts with the last numbers as 8, 4 or 0 and keep them aside. That is how I follow. Yes, and this has matched the last three numbers. That means 200 lottery is guaranteed to us. So we'll definitely win 200 if nothing else. Yeah, let's keep this aside. Now we'll check the grand prize and special prize. The grand prize winning amount is 2 million and the special prize winning amount is 10 million. We'll follow the same technique for checking the grand prize. We'll just check if the last three digits match, and if they match, then we'll check if the whole number matches or not. Let's hope for the best. Sadly, we did not win the first prize and also the grand prize, so it's really sad. I also forgot to mention the tax amount. If you win anything from 10,000 NTs, then you have to pay 20% of the tax to the government. Now we are checking out the special prize. Wish us luck, guys. We checked all these receipts and finally there is only one winning receipt, this one, as we showed you before. So we won 200 NTs like every other time. This is like most common thing that we win during this receipt lottery. I think let's hope for the best next time. It's never the last, so we can again try next time. To collect this receipt, we can just go to convenience stores or somewhere because it's very less amount. So they just give it in the convenience stores. You just have to write your phone number and your name and just show your ID and they'll give you the amount. The collecting times are like something, let me check that. You can collect the prizes from 6th Feb to 5th May. So I think you have a lot of time of about 3 months. So it's okay, you can collect any time in between those. And if you win something around like 10,000 or something, you have to write your name and phone number and take your ID and you have to go to the bank or post office to collect your money, and they'll also cut the tax that has to be cut from that, which is 20%. Yeah. If we ever win the lottery again, then we'll definitely make another video to show you guys. You might be thinking that why government has to encourage people to collect the receipts, right? If people start collecting the receipts because they have to collect them for the lottery, then businesses start giving the receipts, and these receipt numbers are actually given by the government of Taiwan. They also have the records of which business had made how much of money, how much turnover they are making. So every business has to pay the taxes in return. So that is like a very good idea for people to collect the receipts and businesses to pay the taxes, right? So that is how the Taiwan government functions. I don't even have the words to express how amazing this idea is. So I really appreciate Taiwan government's efforts. And let's hope that we win something big next time. And if you're a foreigner and lucky enough to have an Android phone, just open Play Store and type Colibri Taiwan Receipt Lottery Scanner. You'll find an app with the receipt as icon itself. Just install it. Sadly, we couldn't find this app on App Store for iPhone users, but there are lots of apps which are in Chinese, so if you are comfortable using them, then that's great. Installation is done. Let's show you how it works. Since they have released the 11-12 numbers, that is what we are going to select, and we'll start the scanner. It just opens the camera and you just have to place all the receipts that are there under this scanner. Only after pulling off the stunt of checking each and every receipt, we came to know about this app. As we told you before, we have won the 6th prize, that is 200 NTs. We are testing the app with other receipts as well. If we won nothing on this receipt, then it shows no match. So it's perfect, right? We are happy with our 200 that we have won in this. Something is better than nothing, right? If you guys are in Taiwan, don't forget to collect these receipts. Wish you all the best. Hope you win a big amount. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. See you in our next video.